In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can apply material and how we can define the density of our solid body. So we have solid model here and we want to apply material. We can go here to Feature Manager Design Tree, and here we have material. To apply material, we have to right click here, and here we have an option, Edit Material. Let's click this. And now here we have a bunch of materials. We have a steel, here we have iron, aluminum alloys, copper alloys, titanium alloys, zinc alloys, then we have some other materials, then we have here plastics, then here we have rubber, and here we have woods. We can also define our own material if we want. And now, for example, we want to apply, let's say, alloy steel. We can just click here on the alloy steel. Here we have some mechanical properties of alloy steel like elastic modulus, shear modulus, mass density, tensile strength, yield strength, specific heat, thermal conductivity, and so on. If you want to change the units of our material properties, you can go here and you can change, for example, to English IPS. And now you have units in IPS. But let's go back, let's go to SI units like this. And now if you want to apply this material, alloy steel, you can just click here, apply. Like this. And now automatically you can see that here, as we click apply, here we have alloy steel. And now we can just click close. And now our solid model has a material alloy steel. If we want to remove this material, we can just go here, right click, and here we can choose remove material, like this. Now let's right click here, and here we have some favorites materials. So you can click here, for example, 1060 alloy, like this. And now we have here 1060 alloy. Now if we want to manage our favorite materials, we can go right click here, let's go edit material. Let's go here to the last step here, favorites. And now, for example, we want to add a new material to our favorites group. For example, we want to add, let's go copper alloys. And now let's add aluminum bronze. So click on the aluminum bronze. And now here you can click add, like this. And now here we have aluminum bronze. You can also remove some material. For example, we want to remove nickel. Let's click on the nickel. And here let's choose remove. Now if you want that aluminum bronze will be first option here, you can click here and you can go here up like this to the first place, like this. And now we can close this. And now every time when you click here, right click, you can see that aluminum bronze is the first option here. So you don't have to go to edit material. You can just click here, aluminum bronze, and now we have aluminum bronze here. So this is how you can apply and edit material. Now we're going to show how we can define density. To define density, we have to go here to the options. Then we have to choose here tab document properties. And then we have to choose here material properties. So here we have a dense. Since we have choose material, this material has its own density. So we can change this. We can only change this density when we don't have material here. So let's click cancel. Let's go here, right click, and let's go with remove material. Like this. And now let's go to options again. Document properties, material properties, and here we can now change the density, for example, to 0.008. Hit enter, and this is it. We have changed the density of this solid model. So this is how you can define material and how you can define the density of the solid model.